Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in today's video, we are going to answer a question that says, can you view Instagram without an account? And the answer is yes. Let me show you how. So, first, let's open up a web browser. And here, let's go to Instagram.com. All right, now here I am logged in, so I am going to log out first from here. Okay, now I am logged out. Now here, if you want to view someone on Instagram and you don't have an account, the first thing that you have to know is that particular person's username on Instagram. So let's say, for example, here, let's view my profile. Now I'm logged out. All I have to do is tap on the web browser here, type on Instagram.com, and I will add forward slash and the username of that person, like so, and hit enter. Now, if you notice, I am not logged in, but I can view this user right here. So I can see this person's grid. I can open up some of the pictures in here. So the answer to the question if you can view Instagram without an account is definitely yes. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.